Well, good morning, everybody. Hope you all are doing good. Just stopped in for a quick pop at my favorite rock before I get my day started. So yeah, I'm gonna go scout out some cool locations. I might come down the valley over there. I haven't quite decided yet, but stick around, it's gonna get interesting. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are all doing good. Actually, I wasn't going to film this road, but it turns out that we've had so much rain lately. It's just absolutely beautiful in here. Makes me want to run and grab my 300 so I can go off-road a little bit better. But yeah, I'll take you guys along this road. I might fast forward a few bits of it because it's not that long, but it's definitely got some nice little sights to see, being so lush and green. Pretty windy today too, actually, so I'm not sure. I don't really have one of those little those little things a lot of the guys, the vlog guys, put on their mic, cuts the wind down. I just kind of got it tucked in behind my mouthpiece here, so hopefully it'll not be too windy. Yeah, it's awesome in here right now. I just can't believe how green it is. I really like this part coming up here. Some swamps and little lakes and things. Oh, wheelie time. It's nice having all that power to get over the puddles. This is a neat area up in here. I got a pretty cool picture on that rock. I'll post it up actually real quick. Yeah, the ponds are full and the swamps and stuff. I actually brought the little drone with me too. I got it in my bag here too, so there's a little lake up here. I was hoping it's not too windy. I was going to get some cool shots over that. Cool cliffs. Those rocks are neat, so black. Looks like a tree came down a while ago. Oh, big puddle. And that little pond should be right around the corner here. Nice of people to leave their cars up here, hey? This is that little pond I filmed that camping episode, where I made some smokies at the fire pit right over here. I'll post a link to it right about here. Cool little spot. Well, I think we're just gonna go check out this little lake up close and personal. Oh boy, this thing doesn't have a reverse, that's the only problem. But I get myself into a tricky little spot here, didn't I? Not much room for errors. Done like dinner. Wonder if we can go over this A little big, eh? Nah. We'll go explore up this little road here for a minute. Can't remember what's up here. Let's take a quick little detour up this shady little wheelie. Then I pull my clutch in, see that, so you don't spin out. Oh yeah, I forgot about this big cliff back up in here. Very cool. I know what we can do. Let's send the little drone up there to check it out. Oh, cool rock. Yeah, there's a bit of a actually good sized cliff back in there, kinda. Very cool. I thought we would just see if I could get a bit of a clearing over here where I could fly that little drone around these big cliffs. I don't know, maybe it's a Canada thing. I've always liked rocks and cliffs and things like that. Oh, it's beautiful back in there. This is a nice chunk of bedrock too. I could ride the 300 right down in here if I had it, but maybe not so much the 690. Yeah, it's kind of a cool little spot. I think I will fly that little drone. Boy, that's a big tree. Get a couple cool shots.
Nasty man, no stopping for them, shut it down. Baseline, I go shot ya boy, dead, shut it down. Full of vibes, no compromise, they make it a raver. Something feeding me, I'm the savior. Nasty man, no stopping feeding me, I go crave ya. Ill behavior. Shut it down. Shut it down. Shut it down. Shut it down.
So going up steep little inclines like this, you can see there's a big, well, you can easily get around that one, but say you couldn't. It's just like what I've been trying to drill into everybody's head. Just hit it with a little momentum and confidence. And when you get up and over that big rock, go light on the clutch so that you don't spin out, because a lot of guys will stall right on the top of that. So check it out. I'll show you what I mean. So clutch is all the way out, little bit of momentum. Blip the throttle. See, now clutch is in. Now just let it out, just like you're leaving a stoplight, kinda, I guess. It's a way to describe it. I like to try and add a little value to my videos, you guys. That's why I'm going to start giving, as many tips, little tips here and there, whatever crosses my mind or crosses my path. That way it's not just another vlog. Or you can just gun it and jump off it like that. Boy, it's beautiful back up in here, you guys. Here, I'll pop in there for a quick minute, show you guys. Pretty awesome. It's kind of a plateau up in here. I actually did a couple really cool scenes coming blasting down on my 300 KTM. I'll put a link to that video right here. You guys should go back through some of my older videos, because I used to set the camera on the trees, and the whole entire video was just off the bike. It didn't even have any vlogging or anything like that. I just used to set it in the trees and get all these cool shots. So you have to go back and look at the ones with lots and lots of views. I've got one of them has almost 1 million views, but some of the KTM ones are really sweet. So I'll put a link up in the cards here and in the description. So catching yourself in a nose wheelie off a little jump is actually quite tricky on this bike, but I actually just pull it off reasonably good. I'll set my camera up and get a decent shot of it. So I'm going to set my camera up, my other little camera here, and see if I can catch this. I actually have got pictures of this before on my other bikes. I also did a how to do nose wheelies episode in my learning series. It's actually got quite a few views now. But so the idea is that you hit that little rock kind of like a jump, but you let the front end dive, and then you clamp on the front brake, and you continue on the front wheel. Well, that's going to do it for me, you guys. I appreciate you watching all my stuff. Definitely check out the description below, you know, the little drop down arrow. There's links to all my goodies down in there, my social media and Patreon's there if you want to chip in. That just goes towards the YouTube channel and bike stuff and cameras and, you know, that kind of thing. I'm definitely going to get up here and do some more lessons and things soon, but I just checking things out, having so much fun on this dual sport. It's the only bike I want to ride currently. So yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, because that way you'll get a notification. Make sure you turn notifications on for my channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.